Do we, the homeowner, have to find architects, designers, and engineers on our own? Or can Forest Street Builders connect us with the right partners to design our dream space?
So we take the desires of the client, the space that we're working with, and we come up with the best group of partners that we are aware of to facilitate the project. And one, design the project so it's exactly like the clients are looking for, but also make sure that we have all the details that we need as a builder to facilitate them in a smooth process without a lot of going back and forth for details. So we do work very closely with the architects throughout the design process, as well as the homeowners, to make sure that one, the homeowners are getting the look that they desire, and we're getting all the information that we need as a builder. And we've done enough projects to know what are the stronger aspects of each architect. Do they excel at a new modern build? Do they know about the traditional houses? As we stand here in Park Hill, I'll use some of these older residences, for example. Are they able to add an addition onto a house here and still keep that original character of the house while doing a brand new build so it looks like it all flows together? We have all of these people that we work with every day, all the way from design to structural engineer to interior design to landscape designers. We have someone to help design every aspect of a project.
So, all these people, are they on the FSB staff?
They are not on the Forest Street Builders staff, but that leads us to be able to expand and have more people in our network to create the ideal end product that our clients are looking for.
So, it's actually favorable for the homeowner that these partners aren't on the FSB staff?
Exactly. And it also introduces us to new people, someone that might be able to do it a little bit faster. We do work with some remote architects that have large offices of architects, so they're able to bang out a lot of plans faster than someone might be able to do here in Denver or for a better price. And part of what we do is shop around to make sure that we're finding one, the best person that can design the ideal house for this specific client, but also try to find one for a great cost.
So, this is a good thing for the homeowner, the fact that FSB has these partners that you've worked with for so many years.
Yeah, I would definitely say that going with the experience that we try to bring into this as well, and everyone having a great experience, we're also looking for the best personalities and the best people to be involved with the project along the way to make it as enjoyable and thorough as possible.